In this video I will show you how to skin retouching Photoshop. Press Ctrl J, 2 copies. Hide this layer. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter, Noise and Median. Follow these settings and press OK. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Solid Color. Follow these settings and press OK. Change the blending mode overlay. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter, Blur and Gaussian Blur. Follow these settings and press OK. Go to Filter, Noise and choose Add Noise. Follow these settings and press OK. Unhide this layer. Change the blending mode to Vivid Light. Go to Filter, Other and choose High Pass. Follow these settings and press OK. Now we will flatten all these layers by pressing Shift. Press Ctrl G to group. Right-click and choose Blending option. Alt-press Move. Press OK. Add a layer mask. Press Ctrl I to inverse. Go to Brush Tool. Flow 30%. Foreground color is white. Now we'll start brushing the face. I'm just going around like this to teach you. Follow the process. I can clear it up with this too. Follow the process.
No.
That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.